So here is how it's gonna look at the end. It's steady, it's no movement at all. And here is how you open it and close. You open it like close it by doing some force. Okay. So, and when you open it, just click it. Now it's secure. Okay, so the first step is to cut the wood to 34 inches, okay? Let's do this. Okay, so what we need in the second step is to get something like this on both pieces. Okay, so we need a 3/4 round, 3/4 round, okay? So on the second phase, what we need to get this like this. 3/4 round over here and 3/4 round over here. So a radio of 3/4 and a radio of 3/4. We complete that with this. This is a 3/4 radius on both a bit that I bought on Amazon. I'm gonna leave the link on the description. Okay, so we finished the first step, which was cutting the material to 44 inches, and we finished the second step, which was doing the round to 3/4 round on both sizes. Okay. So once we have this done, the third thing to do is to cut it out. So these pieces we're gonna cut it to 1 inches all the way. Okay. So let's start doing that. So once we finish cutting, we're gonna have something like this. Okay. So now we have almost the process almost done. You see? We just need to do a light sanding over here and a light sanding on the pieces. So now we're gonna select the best pieces because some of them they have knots. But if it's not too bad, then we can use it. Like for example, we can still use this one. It's not both sides, but some pieces they come really bad. So you need to check all the pieces when you cut. Okay. So let's continue with the video. So the next step to do is to cut the one that we have here. This one that we cut 20 inches, we need to cut it 1 3/4. So let's do this. Okay, so here are all the pieces that we need. So as you can see, we can do 1 and 2.5. So we can do with just one single piece of 11 inches and a quarter. We can do 2 table folding legs. So let's continue with the video. Okay, so what we need to do next, we need to make make a hole over here in the center. This is 3/4 from here, from the top to here is 3/4. From here to here is 3/4 as well. The piece is 1.5 inches. I'm gonna make a 1 inch hole. Over here is from the top to here is 27 inches. And over here on the other side, from the top to here, it's 16 inches. So we're gonna do this one piece, and then we got this piece as well. From here to here, 3/4, and 3/4 from here to here. So on the center, 3/4 to both sides, 1 inch hole. And over here, 16 inches from the top. From the top, 16 inches over here, okay? And 3/4, okay? So let's do this. So we're gonna have two types of pieces, okay? Let's do it. Now we need to cut the 20 inches that we cut. We need to do the holes as well. On this one, the measurement is like, you can use the measurements that you want. For example, I'm gonna share with you guys my measurements. So in this case, I made this template. So whenever I put my pieces, I know where I need to do the holes at, because it's already marked for me. Okay? So I'm gonna share the measurement with you on this one. So the measurement that I'm using on this one is 4 inches. Okay? So 4 inches, one. Okay, so the next thing that we need to do is to cut these two pieces. This is like 1/4 over here. As you can see, we're gonna cut like this. And this is like 1/2 inch. So on the 1/4, we need to make the cut, okay? And the same thing over here. So because we need a mirror, so we need the two pieces to go like this, okay? Let's do this. Okay, so the next thing to do, we're gonna send all the pieces, and we're gonna then cut the dowels, and then send it out. Once all the pieces are already done sending, we can continue by cutting the dowels. Okay, so what we need to do, this dowel is 1 inch. I bought it at Home Depot. So let's cut it 17 inches and a half. I'm gonna cut two pieces of this one, 17 inches and a half, and then we're gonna measure the another one in order to cut it, okay? So with a caliper, we're gonna take a caliper and we're gonna measure the inside of this. So we have 0.5. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut it 1 inch. 1 inch and probably 1/8 to make sure that when we put them together, it looks perfect, okay? Let's continue. We're gonna cut those the dowels 1 inch and 1/8. We need 4 of them, and then we're gonna see how it's gonna look like. Okay, so now we got the pieces. This is 1 and 1/8. I got this one, 1 and 5/8. So this one we're gonna put on this one, the one that is 1 and 5/8 on this one, and then with this is gonna go with check with this one, okay? So the one that have two holes only instead of 3. So this one is gonna go over here like this. Okay. So let's see how it's gonna look. The first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to put this one together, the one that have 3 holes. Let me see if I can show you. So this one, 1, 2, and 3 on the right here in the center. Okay, let's put this together. So the 2 long pieces that I cut 17 inches and a half, one is gonna go here on the one that have 2 holes here, not on this one. Okay. So we're gonna put those 2 long pieces that is 17 and a half over here. Okay. So let's use some glue and some. Let me start doing it.